Okay, so if you think about buying some blackout blinds, let me show you these. These are basically a sheet of blackout material. On the Amazon website, it says a blind. It's more like just a sheet. Now, it comes in a pack here. You can see you get 300 centimeters by 145 centimeters. That's one big sheet. Now, it also comes with all your stick-on attachments. They are Velcro strips, and you can see one big sheet here. It comes with everything you need. It even comes with a little cutter and a tape measure as well. All you need to do is, you can see the sheet actually comes as one folded sheet. So all you need to do is unfold that out, or if you need to cut out a shape for two blinds exactly the same shape, I left it folded, and I'll show you some installation tips in just a second. So first of all, just check out all the things you get with it. You get the 20 adhesive strips, you get a cutter as well, so you don't even need to worry about scissors. And as I mentioned, you also get a tape measure as well. You can see the blade is really sharp and it cuts it super simple. I basically measured out that shape. I left it folded so I got two exactly the same shape size. And then the top tip here would be to put your Velcro strips on the actual blind itself without peeling off the reverse side. So leave one side with the cover still on. Put one in all four corners. In fact, you could put three down each side if you wish. It depends how attached you want it to be to your window. And then all you need to do is peel off the paper from the adhesive Velcro strips on the blind. And like I say, there you go. And that way you don't need to attach anything to the window. You just press it and it is now firmly in place. And you can see there, just going to demonstrate, peel it off again. Nothing stuck on the window right now, you can see that. And that way you get a perfect fit. The Velcro attachment on the window stays on the window, and obviously you can peel it back just like that. It's great. This is a new office I've just moved into, and the sun comes brightly through the window. It's black on one side and reflective on the other side, so it will reflect the light and the heat really, really well. So in this office, it's going to cut down the heat and the sunlight, which is perfect. So yeah, highly recommend it. Got mine from Amazon, and it's been very simple to install.